In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Trends data. First, open your browser and head to trends.google.com. This is Google's public dashboard for what people are searching, both in real time and over longer periods. On the home page, look along the top and click Trending Now. This view spotlights fast-moving topics, which is perfect when you need timely insights for reports, content ideas, or quick market checks. Before exporting anything, shape the results so they match your needs. Start by choosing the country. Use the country selector to switch to the market you care about. This ensures the data reflects the behavior of people in that location, not a global average. Localizing your view makes a big difference for demand forecasting and audience analysis. Next, choose the date range. Pick the time frame that aligns with your project. Short windows capture breaking spikes and rapid shifts. Longer windows smooth out the noise and reveal sustained interest. If you're sharing insights with stakeholders, consider a slightly broader range so the trend line is more stable. Then choose a category. Filtering by category, like business, health, sports, or entertainment, reduces unrelated noise and keeps the list focused on your domain. This is especially helpful if you're analyzing a niche and don't want general pop culture topics to dominate your results. Select all trends to make sure you're viewing the complete set of trending topics that match your filters. With the list in view, set the sort to by relevance. Sorting by relevance prioritizes items that best fit your chosen country, time frame, and category, bringing the most useful entries to the top. Other sorts may emphasize recency or volume, but relevance gives you a balanced list for analysis. Now you're ready to export. Click Export, usually shown as a download icon near the top right of the results. You'll see three options. Download CSV saves a clean spreadsheet you can open in Excel, Google Sheets, or your preferred data tool. Copy to clipboard is handy for a quick paste into a document or sheet without creating a file. RSS feed lets you subscribe so you can monitor updates automatically in your RSS reader. Choose the format you need, and to create a file you can analyze immediately, click CSV. Your browser will save it to your downloads. Open the file in a spreadsheet, confirm the delimiter is set to comma, and check that dates and numbers are recognized correctly. For consistent reporting, keep your country, date range, and category settings the same each time, and note the time zone used by your selected region. With those filters applied and your export complete, you've turned Google Trends activity into structured, ready-to-use data.